sunny days coming. Hi, today is Friday. I'll be working from home, but I will still go to the office because the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival is coming and the Chinese League will host the Zongzi rapping event. So I definitely gonna join. And for that, I even rescheduled my one-on-one with my manager. I told him that I gonna join the event hosted by Chinese League. That's for our traditional festival. He was like, yay, cool. So firstly, I will be work from home and then we will work together and we go to the office. And lastly, I will go to my friend's apartment. They are hosting some barbecue event. So let's have fun with me on Friday. Me too. Why? Ooh, it's getting dark.
那你们吃粽子是甜的，是咸的？我们都吃。
Your freestyle going. Ooh, not bad. I prepared some gifts for my foreign friends. This year is Chinese Year of Dragon, so I prepared some small toy for them. This peace and joy, money. Which one do you like?